Hello everybody, you're watching Retropolis, your retro repair. Today's episode, I'm going to be fixing a Nintendo Wii Nunchuk. As you can see here, the analog's been quite chewed up, and what I'm going to be using for parts is an old beat up Xbox S controller. So with that being said, let's get down to it. So here I have the Wii controller with the broken analog here. You see it's all chewed up for my kids. I have a tri-wing screwdriver that a buddy of mine got me. There's 2 screws on the bottom. Yeah, my buddy called me up. Didn't have one of the screwdrivers. Asked if I had one he could borrow. I did not, so he ordered us one each, which is really nice of him. So this is what the inside of the controller looks like. It's pretty simple. And so what you could do, you could just take this off with a knife or something and replace it. What I have here is a original Xbox S controller, and the one I have, the cord's really torn up, broken. So what I've done is I've removed the screws already. So the screws are 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and then under the sticker here. So for the sticker, I just use a little flat edge blade. Just open that up. You can see it's got 2 points for the motors. Just unhook those. This controller I purposely bought used for only a couple of bucks to use to repair other controllers with. I won't be needing the shell. And then we'll pull off any of the analogs. Now, it is a slightly different size on the inside. But with a little bit of force, it does fit on there. And there we. It's a little bit tight here. Again. There's these 2 little clips up here which hold on. I'm actually going to grind out just a little bit of the edge. Get all the burrs out. Okay. Fitting a little bit better. Because it should just spring back, so a little bit more should be good. I'm trying to keep most of the flat edges like they have. Okay, so I ground out the edges, keeping them flat, and there was a bit of a high edge up here that I also removed. And there we have it. So, just to show you here, you can see there is this high edge right along here. I removed that completely, and I ground it down just a little bit, because this fits in pretty tight, but the Xbox ones are quite a bit wider. So if I put this on top, you can see just how much of a difference there is. So with that being said, I'm going to quickly do this a second time. There we go. So, that being said, I now have two working Nintendo Wii Nunchucks. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed this. And remember, never throw out anything, because you don't know what you might actually end up needing it for.